Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following cars here. The first one, a big truck. About this, helicopter, mini helicopter, extrude helicopter, mini airplane. How about this one? Shoot racing car. Mini truck. Tank truck. How about this? Mini monster truck number 33. Mini monster truck shoot color. Airplane. Big airplane. How about this one? A big crane. Supercar, white color. Army car. About this. Super motorbike, extrude super motorbike. Mini airplane. About this one. Cement mixer truck. Mini bulldozer. Excavator. Shoot excavator. Bus. Green bus. Cement mixer truck. You can see here a nice cement mixer truck. Shoot police car. How about this one? I don't know its name. Mini helicopter. Mini excavator. Tank truck. Off-road car. Red super motorbike. Hero Iron Man. Okay everyone, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.